Welcome back to Awkward Moments on the Road, where we watch and most importantly learn from other drivers' earth-shattering actions. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. The collision with a silver SUV was a friendly reminder to obey the signs. The white SUV driver probably mistook the red traffic light for the black SUV coming from the right, giving him a lesson in traffic laws.
We made it.
The black SUV seemed to be in such a hurry that it treated the red light as just a decoration. As a result, the pickup truck that was driving legally turned into a bowling pin.
Whether he liked it or not. And regardless of what sort of man John Call
The pickup truck made a confident lane change, forgetting about the existence of the white van next to it. Perhaps the rearview mirror was just for decoration? The minivan driver decided to turn left with the belief that whoever is faster wins. The gray sedan proved otherwise with a series of collisions. The black sedan driver's high-speed handling was somewhat delusional. The result was an unwanted dance on the road. The black car suddenly likes the red car's lane and decides to merge without warning. Not a pleasant visit. The brave white car driver challenges the meaning of the red light. The black SUV, who obeys the rules, gives the most obvious answer. The failed stealth of a motorcyclist trying to run a red light at night. The Lamborghini Urus supercar enters the roundabout as if the road is its own, gliding past the sedan that is in the correct lane. The white pickup truck driver is so engrossed in chatting on the phone that he turns the red light into a green light in his eyes.
Nice guy.
Ezekiel on the floor, no foul. Tyreek George up there with him.
Oh, yes!
George up there with him.
Oh, yes!
Pass two, trying to stab it through for George.
Wow!
Purchase on the pass.
The red light is ignored again, and the motorcyclist has to pay a heavy price. The crash sent the driver flying off the car. The slippery road, combined with the lack of observation when entering the intersection, led to the collision between the Subaru and the SUV. The red car once again proved the danger of ignoring traffic lights. The blue car, which was driving legally, became an unwanted obstacle. The slippery road, like an ice rink, is not a place to test drifting skills. The car completely lost control, spinning helplessly. The black car's artistic cutoff turned into a disaster when it lost control and crashed into the barrier. The highway is not a racetrack. The white pickup continued the tradition of red lights are for reference, crashing into the black SUV that was obeying the rules. Sudden braking on a crowded highway. Whatever the reason, keeping a safe distance is always necessary. When the car in front stopped at the red light, the black SUV driver seemed to be looking somewhere else. The result was an unnecessary kiss. The white pickup truck driver decided to win the yellow light, but lose the traffic law. The Honda driver did not realize the existence of the bicycle lane. The warning horn sounded, but it was too late to avoid a close call. The red SUV seemed to be sucked into the trailer in front, an unnecessary collision due to lack of safe distance. The collision occurred. The Audi driver chose to get out of the car with an unfriendly attitude. Another tail kiss on the highway. The brown SUV did not keep the necessary safe distance. The silver convertible's hasty lane change unintentionally linked the two cars together. The Ford Explorer showed its exploratory spirit by rushing through the intersection on red light. Smoke billowed from the tires and the black SUV spun out of control. Blind spots were once again the evil spirits. The Acura driver changed lanes without seeing the motorcycle there. The white BMW proved that class does not go hand in hand with sense when running a red light.